Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Razr 60 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll all the way down to find the option system. Now let's tap on date and time, so the third option, and usually you will start with something like this. So everything will be marked here and those options connected with the date, time and the time zone will be inactive. It is because everything is set automatically. So if you'd like to set it manually, you need to turn off those switchers, preferably all of them, and finally you can tap on date and choose the date from the calendar. Just tap on the specific day and tap on OK to confirm. The time, we can just choose it from the clock, first of all hours, then minutes, tap on OK. The time zone, just tap on the time zone, choose region and choose something what you want to apply. So find it and tap on it. Here you can also decide what kind of clock format you want to use. So you can either use the 12-hour format, which is currently applied, or 24-hour one, just by tapping on the switcher right here. So it's completely up to you how you want to use it. So this is the manual customization of date and time, and of course you can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.